Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock the Excel sheet cells based on color. Sometimes people would like to lock the particular cells to protect the Excel sheet. For example, if the company provide the document to their team to update the document for the particular cells, that the particular cells only needs to enable, rest of the cells should be locked to protect the document. In this situation, they can easy to lock the particular cell based on color. Let's learn how you can lock or unlock the Excel sheet cells based on the color. Open the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, the blue color only editable, rest of the cells needs to be locked. So you have to set up this lock or unlock by click on the Ctrl F. Then you have to click on the options. Here you have to click on the choose format from cell. Then you have to select the blue color cells. Then click on the find all. Then you have to select all cells what is in blue color. So you have to click on the Ctrl A. It will be select the all blue cells. Then you have to close. Then you have to click the Ctrl+1. Here you have to go to protection. Then you have to uncheck the lock option. Then you have to click OK. Then save the settings. Now you have to right click and click on the protect sheet. Here now you have to enter the password. Well, now close the Excel sheet. Again open the Excel sheet. Now you can try to edit the yellow cells. It's not editable. You can check that. But you can be editable the blue color cells. You can also edit the all blue color cells. You can edit and save that. If you have thousands of rows, this will be really helpful to segregate the particular cells, lock or unlock the feature based on the color. If you would like to unlock the entire cells, then you have to simply go to unprotect sheet. So now you can able to edit for the entire sheet. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.